What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today, like I said, we're going to be taking care of this situation right here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep the surface, put a vinyl wrap on it, and overall make my trunk look a whole hell of a lot better than it does right now. So the first step was to sand all this junk here off, and then the next part will just be to clean the surface and then put maybe some rubbing alcohol on it, and then we'll be ready to start applying the wrap. Alright you guys, so right now I'm just washing off any debris with water. Then I'm going to put on some all-purpose cleaner just to make sure it's even cleaner. Then maybe rinse it one more time and then put some isopropyl, however you say it, rubbing alcohol on it just to make sure there's absolutely nothing and a complete clear surface for the vinyl wrap to attach to. So yep, I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll show you guys what's next. Alright, so it is still a little bit rough, so I'm going to take some sandpaper and some water, and I'm going to do a wet sand to make it a little bit more smooth. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just going to absolutely drench the surface because you don't want to scratch it too much. And then I'm just going to start scrubbing away. Just making sure that it's... Alright, so the top of the surface is totally clear now. I'm just going to put some rubbing alcohol on for the final step of preparation. Alright, so I'm just laying it down on the surface now. I haven't taken off the bottom part. It still has the branding on it. It's not sticky yet, but we're just starting to shape it up to see what it is that we're going to have to do. I think it's going to look really good. We got the whole edge, it's all basically installed. We just have to edge around with the X-Acto knife along the line and then along the line of the spoiler as well. And I think it'll probably look pretty good. Alright, so we just took the X-Acto knife around the edges and now you can see it just peels right off. Nice clean edge along the side there. I'll tuck in some of the mistakes I've made. I did that on this side too. And then this whole piece will peel right off. Alright, so we've edged around the corners, so now it'll just peel right off. And as you can see, it's just nice and crisp right on the edge of the actual trunk. I'm really excited at how this looks. Done. Alright you guys, so we're all done. It ended up looking really good. So as you can see, that white blemish stuff is no longer there and it looks really good. So I'll do like a quick little video of how it looks for you guys right now and I'll show you the final product. And this is how it looks like in the sun, you guys. The only issue left with my car is just these little scratches here, but I mean, other than that, the car is totally blemish free now, so I'm really happy. Thanks for watching you guys. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.